Hi guys, I was gifted this solar street light from the seller so I can show you all about it and show you how to install it. Let's first take it out of the box so we can see what you're gonna get. So here's the pole that you mount it on. Here is the light. Man, that thing looks big. I didn't realize it was going to be this big. And a big old solar panel here. And we got some instructions. What else we got here? All right, we got a battery. And we got some anchors. Looks like some concrete anchors. I'm not going to install it on concrete. I'm going to install it on a wood, my wood egg stand. And a remote here. So I'm going to go install it. And I'll show you some video of me installing it. And then at night when it turns on, I'll show you how bright it is. All right, I just mounted on the pole to my egg stand here. I'm going to put the light on and put the screw in next. All right, I have it all installed here. I got it on my little egg stand here, and we're going to see how bright it is tonight. It looks real good, so I'm gonna let it collect some sun today, and it does have like motion sensor, so we'll check that out tonight. Thanks. All right, guys, I got the light on where it's like dim until it senses the motion, and then it goes to 100%. So we'll walk up to this egg stand and see. Oh, there it goes. It got bright, and it's real bright. So you can see it lit up this whole egg stand right here. So if you guys need a solar powered light like this, go ahead and get it. It's super bright, and I'm glad I got it here for the egg stand. So if people want to buy eggs after dark, then we got them covered. So go ahead and get it. Thanks.